So I'm in the men's room earlier today.
Now we're ready.
I'm having a seat. And I hear somebody come in, and I don't know who it is because they're at one of the urinals. But they're making a lot of noise. They're going, like they're having something extracted at the doctor's office. And so I start recording, and I don't even know if you'll be able to hear this. I was there, and it was much more prevalent to me. Tell me if you can hear this.
Heard that.
Stop it.
Hear that? Magic was on in the men's room, so you'll hear a little OMD there in the back here. But that was just when I thought to start recording. If I had gotten the whole thing, I have no clue who that was. Frankly, don't want to know. But this person...
Check the shoes.
Well, no. I was at like the far... There's no way I would have had any line of sight whatsoever. But this person was making a lot of noise. And I was like, Jesus, are they okay?
Did not sound okay.
It sounded like they hadn't had a pee in a month.
Probably got...
That's just a pee?
Probably burning.
Oh, yeah, they're at the urinal.
That is just a pee?
Oh, no, I wouldn't have recorded if they were taking a dump. Because,
I thought they were taking a dump.
No, that's a pee.
Okay, let me hear it again.
Okay. Oh, they're going, oh, yeah. Oh, I wish I'd gotten the whole thing.
Are you sure
I wish I'd gotten the whole thing.
Cranking off? Because that was a lot of pleasure from a pee.
I did not hear.
A lot of release.
There was not another stall door that opened and closed. So this was a person having a whiz.
That's a lot of noise for a whiz.
Now, I don't know if they're in pain, in which case they should go to the doctor.
Yeah, maybe they have a kidney stone or something.
Maybe.
Oh.
I don't know who it was. Yeah,
that's the one that gets me. Is the
but I mean, there was a lot more. There was a lot of vocalizing when I was in there. This was probably, I don't know, 10:30 this morning, maybe.
Let me hear it one more time. Yeah, they go. That's one.
Oh yeah, they just kept going. Oh, and when I'm sitting there, I'm like, you dummy, record this. Yeah. And I got like the last few seconds of it, but they were making a lot of noise.
That last one is where your toes curl up a little bit, and you kind of.
It's orgasmic.
Yeah,
what's going on in that urinal?
Like, that's why I'm wondering if they were just peeing or if they were doing something else.
That's a super quick wank, if that's what that was.
Hey. I'm guessing there are some people that can do it that
Can you
quickly.
imagine if there was somebody that walked in there and wanked into the urinal, just stood there until they were done? Oh, it's so gross.
It's been done before.
Because it's rare that with as few people as are in the building now or on our floor, it's very rare that you'll be in the bathroom with another person.
Yeah, and if you're not checking the stalls, maybe you're just going in there like, I need a release. Maybe they're already horned up doing something else.
You mean they fluffed before they went?
Well, no, I mean, something was going on. Maybe they were looking at something on their phone, and so they were just right there near the top of the mountain. They get into the bathroom, and they just finish themselves off super quick because they're so worked up.
That's as likely as anything else, I guess.
Because that does not sound like just a nice pee. Unless they've been holding it
in for a month.
Day. Yeah, like it's so loud and so like visceral.
They were like, "Oh yeah." And then I think they flushed the urinal. That's how I knew it was the urinal. Yeah, they flushed the urinal.
Yeah, maybe he just got cleared of like some type of STD or something.
Well, I don't think that's how you get cleared of an. I don't think you blow it out the pipe.
He's like, I can finally pee now.
Oh, I see.
And it doesn't burn.
That sounds like something was burning. I don't know what, but. It
reminds me of Forrest Gump, where he hears like his teacher banging his mom.
I don't remember that. I saw that movie one time.
Oh, yeah.
It was like the professor. It was like, well, what would you do
he's
to
like
keep
the
your kid in
principal.
school?
It's like, is there a Mr. Gump, Mrs. Gump? And then you hear him and the mom in the house going, and then when he walks out, little Forrest Gump goes,
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah.